Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. These 2 boxes just arrived at our house. I think that this is my book, and I did not want to unbox it without you being here with me because you helped me pick out the cover design between 2 choices. So let's do it, okay? So let's make sure I don't get cut too. As we open the box here, let me push it down so I can get under there. Opening it up. Now this book is a little different. It is a business fable, which means I have fun characters in the book, which I named after some real people. So you guys will be called out in a little bit. And it's supposed to be a really fun, interesting set of dialogue, which I had to take a class on how to write that great dialogue. Okay, here we go. We are unboxing the book, and I'm really, oh wow. The cover is gorgeous. The cover, wow, it's really breathtaking. Thank you guys for helping me with this cover. This cover is beyond my imagination. We had 2 different choices, both designed by artificial intelligence, because the book is The Tiger and the Rabbit for AI, Web3, and the Metaverse. And thank you, Wiley, for helping me with the cover art as well as with the title. This is really cool. I can't wait for you guys to get a copy of it. Look at this cover. Woo woo, I love it. And I cannot wait for each of you to get a copy and give me feedback.